Do you love fresh ground coffee? Sometimes traveling, it's hard to have a coffee grinder with you. So this OptiStream coffee grinder here, top quality, gives you between 1 and 12 options for how you want your grounds done. Works super easy, super compact. I love it. Let's take a close-up look. Take the bowl off here. This is a glass bowl, nice sturdy metal here. But this is where you're going to go ahead and change the settings. You just turn it to the setting that you want. Kind of like middle of the road here. So I'm going to go to 6. All right. And put that back on here. All right, and then this just pulls off the top. Then you're just going to go ahead, pour your grounds in just like that. Put the top on, fits on real nicely. And turn. Really nice ground there. Just excellent. Love this thing. So this is the OptiStream manual coffee grinder. So easy to use, great quality. Love it.